Hello everybody. In this video we are going to see what is a verb. A verb is a word used to express an action, a condition or a state of being. Verb is one of the most important parts of the sentence. It tells the subjects, actions, events or state of being. It is always found in the predicate of a sentence. Some examples of verb are: the director squished his nose. His nose is big. The director is squishing his nose. Types of verbs: action, linking, helping are some of the verbs. Action verbs. A verb that shows action is called an action verb. The action verb tells that its subject does. The action can be either physical or mental. Physical action example: the farmer feeds the chickens. Mental action: he likes the red roasted beast. The words are action verbs: ran, coughed, swallowed, ride, sang, and awake. Can you find the action verb in each of the sentence? The girl danced in the recital. Our mailman drew a funny car last week. His teacher wrote the answer on the board. Alice worked on her homework last night. Present verbs. An action verb that describes an action that is happening now is called a present tense verb. The bird flies through the sky. Flies is the present tense verb because it is happening right now. Present tense verb. Many present tense verb ends with is, but some end with es or ies, such as sleeps, splashes, cries. Past verb. Verb which tells us about action which happened some time ago are past tense verb, such as the dog wanted a bone. Wanted is a past tense verb because the action has already happened. Past tense verb. Many past tense verb end with ed, but some end with d or ied, such as clapped, tried, played. Future verbs. Verbs which tell us about action which are going to happen are future tense verb. We will awaken at 6 a.m. Will awaken in a future tense verb because the action has not yet happened. Future tense verb. Future tense verb use special words to talk about things that will happen, such as will, going to, shall, aim to, etc. Going to start, will enjoy, shall email. Linking verbs. A linking verb links its subject to a word in the predicate. Linking verbs express a condition or a state of being. Linking verbs. There are 9 common linking verbs: am, be, is, seem, was, are, become, were. To remember this linking verb, use this saying: all boys in school work. Helping verb. A helping verb helps a main verb express action or precise shades of meaning. The combination of one or more helping verb is called verb phrase. Elma was using the computer. 23 helping words are main, might, must, be, being, been, am, are, is, was, were, do, does, did, should, would, have, had, has, will, can, shall. Helping words. Other things to keep in mind. Not every sentence will have a helping verb with the main verb. When you see an ing verb such as running, be on the lookout for a helping verb also. Helping verbs. Sometimes there is another verb which separates the helping word from the main verb. One common example is not. The boy could not find his socks. The helping word is could and the main verb is find. A sentence may contain up to 3 helping verbs to the main verb. An example would be: The dog must have been chasing the cat. The helping verbs are must, have, and been. The main verb is chasing. Let's practice. Find the verb in each of the sentence. Hopefully, it will snow this year. The students asked his teacher a question. Jackson is very energetic. Students in the class were really loud. I'm confused about algebra. The girls sang in competition. Always do your best. The earth revolves around the sun. Answers. Hopefully, it will snow this year. In this sentence, will show is the verb. The student asked his teacher a question. In this sentence, ask is the verb. Jackson is very energetic. In this sentence, is verb. Students in the class were really loud. Where is verb in this sentence? I am confused about algebra. I am is verb in this sentence. The girls sang in the competition. Sang is verb in this sentence. Always do your best. In this sentence, do is verb. Earth revolves around the sun. In this sentence, revolves is the verb. Transitive verb. A transitive verb does not have a direct object. Example, the pilot landed the antique aeroplane. Airplane is direct object that answers the question landed what after verb landed. Intransitive verb. Intransitive verb are action verbs that do not have direct object. Linking verbs are always intransitive. Examples: the pilot landed carefully. There is no direct object. Answering the question landed what or whom. Let's practice. Determine if each verb is transitive or intransitive. Hopefully, it will snow this year. The students asked this teacher a question. Jackson is very energetic. Students in the class were really loud. I'm confused about algebra. The girls sang in the competition. Always do your best. The earth revolves around the sun. Answers. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, go into my channel for interesting videos.